Okay, hello, welcome back to Kerbal Space Program Ascent series, where we are going to, let's check out the actives. We have nothing active. Let's try this hammer one. Test the hammer solid fuel booster at the launch site. It's going to give us a little bit of Kerbal bucks here. And we will escape the atmosphere, but I don't want to select it just yet. We're only allowed 2. We have $135,000. Let's go build we need that, and we need the hammer. Put the hammer there. We're just going to take the fuel out of it. Let's make it orange. And who do we have? We have Jebediah. Let's just take a scientist. Whoops. That's Jeb, scientist. He could do a lot of science work out there. Okay, we just have that. Very good. Back that down. Let's launch it. Just for little science experiments here. Now all we have to do is test this. Run the test. And it worked. We have... I gotta have to close all these. Close. Launched our first vessel. Gathered scientific data for Kerbin. Test the RT hammer. So we got 4,000 for that. We got 1 science and 1 reputation. So that clears that out. Let's check. There's his helmet. His head is fine. Yes, very good. Who was that, Bill? Can he do anything? EVA report. We already got it. Remove helmet. There we go. We're going to let go. We're going to run down here to the crawler way. Run, little buddy. Once we get to the crawler way, we'll have him remove the neck ring. Wow, cool. EVA report. Overwrite that one. We are still on the launch pad. Run down some more. Okay, let's see if he's there. No, still on the launch pad. EVA report. Still on the launch pad. EVA report. Still on the launch pad. I guess he's got to go to right here. We could also run down and get the... What is that, Shores? Or from KSC. Run, little buddy. Whee! Oh! He face planted. They have new animations, apparently. We'll have to watch and see if he does any new animations. EVA report. There we go. From the crawler way. Glitch here. Put his helmet back on. Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him. He was saluting. Move the neck ring. Wow. Equip the helmet. There it is. There we go, buddy. Alright. Let's, whoops. Resume flight. Recover. We'll get the science data from him. There we go. We have 7. And then we can clear this. Recover. I don't think it had any. We got 775 funds. So now we are We're at 7. Can we do anything? No, we need 18. We need 20 for that one. So, looks like we are back to, let's see what we can do. We need to send another rocket and we'll aim it towards the grassland. We'll use the flea again. We'll use the parachute that we used last time. We can put, 773, we don't really need that much. Well, I guess we do. I'm going to take the rocket down here. We'll do goo again as well. We'll aim it this way. Temperature. Barometric pressure. Press map bariometer. We're bringing this back, so we'll just keep that there. And, oh yeah, we do have the deck on it. We have this. I don't know if that's going to make it too heavy. Let's try it. Too heavy for the, I'm going to bring this up one. And matter of fact, we'll bring it up too. I'm afraid that will explode. We need a battery. Oh yeah, we need an antenna. So the antenna, what is it, E? And a battery. Electric battery. Set the battery over here. Hopefully it'll lean that direction. And we can take away motor propellant. We don't need that. Oh wow. Yeah, let's make it white and black. That one looks good. Do we have everything? That we could decouple. We have lantern legs. Yeah, we have lantern legs. We can make a proper rocket here. Let's do 3. And let's put a decoupling ring here. Where's the decoupling rings? There we go. Okay, we have 656 meters per second. We can slow the thrust down. Hopefully we can get up, turn, get that direction. I think that is about it. Let's go ahead and launch this one. Oh, who's piloting? Let's take away Bob the scientist and put in Jebediah the pilot. Okay, let's launch. Landing gear is in. I don't like that it started that way. Let's go ahead and do this. Observe the materials bay. Can we send it? How much does the materials bay? We have 150. I think it'll do it. If not, we'll... Yes, that's okay. No, it's not going to do it. Not enough electric charge. Should we put 2 batteries on here? Let's just keep it. And, well, we don't have any electric charge. Let's go back, recover the vessel. We'll slap another battery on it. Right here. Let's close these. Start retracted. Yes. Everything's good? Yes. Okay, let's run the test. Oh, what happened? Did it send? Did it send and I missed it? Oh my gosh. Reset that. We'll grab it when we land. Son of a gun. Oh! Ah. I recovered it. That's why I recovered it. Okay, here we go. And we could do one while flying. Let's do everything when we land. Let's do everything when we land. Hopefully we will land. Softly. Here we go. Flying it. Jebediah's flying it. Oh, look, Jebediah's got a mustache and goatee. Okay, now it's harder to fly. Almost out of fuel. There we go. We're going to jettison this. Make it a little lighter. Slowing down, slowing down. We'll let this be 850. Go ahead and deploy the chute as long as we're over the grasslands. Turn SAS off, save some battery, I guess. Yeah. It's going to open at 850 and put out the landing legs. Very good. So far, so good. Oh, that's kind of weird. You can see through the canopy. No matter. I'm using the Kerbal flag. Oh, he could have done a crew report while flying over. Yes. Keep it. We have enough battery to send it. Yes, we do. We could send it. Review the report, send it. And touchdown. Nice. Nice. A little springy. They're still coming up, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and do a crew report from the grasslands. We could send that one as well. Log the temperature. Save it. Observe the goo. From Kerbin's grasslands. Save it. Do this one from Kerbin's grasslands. All kinds of data. Yes. Love the science. And we'll get 7.5 when I get back with that one. Now we'll have him. What are we going to have him do? We're going to have him climb out. An EVA report. Or is this going to be flying over? Oh, EVA report from. Very good. Keep that one. We'll get back in. Uh-oh. Get in there, buddy. The weight of the Kerbal. The weight of the Kerbal reacts to the vessel. That is scary. Okay, let's go ahead and retrieve our launched vessel here. And we got 18 science back from that. How much? We got 6,000 funds back for that. And Jebediah, no experience gain. Or 26 reputation, though. So that gives us a little bit to work with. We could get stability, which is what? Ooh, we're going to need those. I do like fins to help keep us straight. What are you? bigger engines, and the boosters. Yeah, probably going to go for that. This is 45. We can't. Oh, it's got some reaction wheels, and oh, yeah, we're just going to have to ballistic missile ourselves to certain biomes in order to build up. Of course, we can't build rovers yet either, can we? We definitely will need that, but no science there. That will be for docking. Oh, there's the wheels. So we need 90 for wheels. Once we get wheels, we can drive to each of the biomes. God, I think I want to do that actually. We're at 40. I don't think we can get 40 more, but just by hitting the ocean with what we've got. Doing the same shift, landing in the ocean. Doing the same shift from the runway. And then launching maybe to the mountains or to the desert. Hi-yo. Let's see, what do we think? We didn't get very far with one fleet. So let's go with the hammer. It has twice as much, and we'll go a little bit less thrust, I guess. We can't make it. We can't make it to the. We can make it high. This is. Let's see what we can do with this. We do have fins, I think. Aeronautics. Yeah, we got a couple of these we could put on there. Keep it kind of straight. When it gets up to speed. Let's attempt this. If not, we'll get a couple of goos and stuff from maybe high altitude. What do we set the throttle at? 55%. Let's go ahead. 250 electric charge. You're sitting on a lot of solid rocket fuel, buddy. And here we go. Stages, yes. And we're off. I am kind of driving it a little. Uh-oh. Kerbal, we have a problem. Let's turn it off. We can't turn off rocket engines. There we go. If I can get free of that. There we go. Okay, that was almost a disaster. Hope it clears the runway. And landing gear is down. Ooh. So, can we do one while flying over? We will keep that. That gives us 17. Can we do one here? Flying at Kerbal, we'll keep it. I think we got the rest of these. Temperature. Yes, and barometric pressure. Oh, yeah, we need that one. So 17 and 8 is, I don't know. Do a crew report. Over the shores. So let's send that data over the shores. We'll do another one when we land. Watching our flying at Kerbal, we will send this one because if we're at shores, hopefully we can do one on the ground. Okay, we got a little bit there. We'll just have to drive out here later with the shores. And here we come in for a touchdown. Boom. We are down. Can we do a press bet burn elder from Kerbal Shores? I guess I've done one over there. Okay, so we missed that one. Can we do you? From Shores, already got it. And apparently if we EVA, can we do one? Already got it. Board. And recover. We've barely left the KSC. We've barely left the Space Center. And we'll be flying to moons and other planets later. Now we have 67. What did I need? 90? I needed 90. Ooh. But this will help. Total reputation 26. What can we get? That's 18. Oh, no, yeah. Flight control. We needed fins. Are we going to need these fins? Do we have rocket fuel yet? 20 for that. That's going to give us rocket fuel and an engine, just the Reliant. So we can't guide ourselves with that. What are you? That's good guidance right there. And that's 45. And batteries and things to let us stay in orbit longer is 90. We can't afford that. So I guess we should just go with this route. Let's do this one and this one. And that will help us. It's 45 and 18. 45 and 18 is 3, 1, 63. We could do these two. That one's 20. I don't think I can get that one. 45 and 20 is 65. Yeah, I can. Okay, so we're going to go there. We're going to go with General Rocketry. It's going to give us the Reliant engine and a fuel tank. Very good. And, ooh, what did that open up? Oh, it opened up some side engines, the Terrier, another fuel tank. I think we need guidance, though. It opened up struts. And we could take more Kerbals with us. I think we need the inline wheel. And the fins. So here we go. Okay, we're back down to 2.7 science. So this was my route. I'm skipping over the stability for the time being. We have 2 little fins. And now we have bigger fins. So I just kind of skipped over that one. We'll come back to it. So, what do we need to do now? We have rockets, we have rocket engines. Let's put that there. Let's look at our fuel. We have the FLT200, and how big are you? You're just 100. You are that. This will definitely get us up. Did I get the big booster? Ooh, I did. I got the thumper. This is definitely going to get us up into space. Should we throw this one away? I'd like to get over to the desert first before we go to space. I'd like to get to the desert and the mountains. I'll probably need the thumper to get to... Oh, we have the swivel. We have the swivel. I didn't realize that. Decoupler. Decoupler. Okay, we got a booster, decoupler, that, decouple, land. We need stability. We need stability. We need stability. We need aerodynamics. Do these rotate? Yeah, I think these rotate. These do not. They're stationary. So let's see if we can fly this puppy. Let's do 4. As long as it'll stand on the runway. Yeah, okay. Authority limit. Let's go to 100. Oh, 100. And let's turn the thrust down. 60%. As soon as we jettison, we will have the swivel. We've got guidance. And if anything goes wrong, we'll eject. Let's give it a try. We're going for the desert. We are going for the desert, which means we have to shoot over top of the mountains, which is scary. So we need to adjust the parachute to open. Probably a little bit higher. We can adjust it if something changes. Okay. And we are ready. Let's do this. Let's go to the mountains. Let's go to the desert. Let's go to the desert. Big rocket here. SAS is on. Ain't gonna help much. And we're not gonna need that much throttle when we eject. So, or when we decouple. All right, Jebediah, are you ready? Here we go. Oh, let's 3, 2, 1. Start just a small lean over. Not too far, too fast. 1,000 meters per second left in the booster rocket. 100 meters per second. Tilt over a little bit more. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're not going to make it to the desert. But we are gaining altitude. We are reaching our highest we have ever been. Going through the clouds. Jebediah looking serious down here. We were only going 400 meters per second. I doubt we'll even make it to the... Ready for separation? Oh no! Yep, we needed fins. Can we get up a little higher? Can we get up through this atmosphere here? Come on, I'm fighting it. I'm fighting it. Throttle up, Jebediah, throttle up. Nope, cut it. Still fighting the atmosphere, and we're out. Let's go ahead and jettison this. There we go. We're at 20,000 feet. Got a world milestone. Recent accomplishments of your space program have attracted contributions from numerous organizations. We've broken an altitude record of 7,000 meters. I'll break another one here in a minute. Oh, 21,000 meters, we're now falling. But we are flying toward the mountains. So maybe we can land in the mountains. Crew report. Upper atmosphere. Go ahead and send that one, Jeb. There goes our debris. We should probably do these. While flying at Kerbal. Is this going to give us upper atmosphere? We're not in the upper atmosphere anymore. We're not going to do these until we land. We're going to try to, oh, we're going to try to fly like a, try to use the, messed it up. He was in a good stable. He was in good stable flight there, and I messed it up. Are we using battery? We have another world milestone. We have broken a land distance record of 32 kilometers. So somebody's going to have to go get him. Trying to slow down just a little bit to open the parachute. I think we're going to be in the mountains. Let's go ahead and do it. We better open this chute a little earlier. Okay, I could have waited, but we'll do that. Put the landing legs down. What are we over? Report. We are over the highlands. Let's go ahead and send this one. Check our battery. Do temperature over? Yes. Let's go ahead and send that one as well. Oh, what am I doing? I could collect more data if I held on to it. Of course, I was thinking that we might land in the mountains, so yeah, so we'll get extra data. Okay, let's go ahead and speed up time and let him fall. I didn't want to hit those mountains before the chute opened, so that Kerbal will rotate underneath us as we fall down. So. Can we F5 and save it here? Can we F5 and save while in a... Yeah, as long as we're not crashing, I guess. We have parachute and landing gear, so. 7, look at Jeb. He's happy. It's going to take an extra minute to land here. As long as we don't land on the side of a hill. Should be okay. Yeah, if you're coming in over the mountains, you may want to think about adjusting your parachute height. Because I think it does above the... I think it extends above the ocean. Not above land. So you just have to be wary. Yeah, we're at 1500. We would have already crashed had we have come over top of that. So just be aware of your parachute opening altitude. Oh yeah, we're going to possibly land on the side of a hill. This may be dangerous. So here we go. We've got battery. Let's turn that off just for a second to save a little bit of battery until we land. We'll turn it on. Here we come. I'm going to turn it on now. Oh, okay. Everything is good. Let's run some tests and get out of here. The temperature, keep it. Log this, keep it. Log this, keep it. I'm afraid this is going to open our door. Observe the materials bay and keep it. Jeb, do you want to try to get out? And let's see, crew report. Let's go ahead and send that one. We've got enough. Our battery is running low. And Jeff, get out. Do a crew report or EVA report. Get back in. And let's get out of here. Woo! What a rush. That SAS was drawing our battery down. Battery kept We were losing battery. Soon it would have just turned off and we would have been at the mercy of that heel. Okay, so we have 37 science now. We got back 6,000 funds worth of parts, and Gemini didn't get anything, but total reputation 30. And that is going to be that. What do we got? 37? Yeah, we could grab that one. Or, oh, we need 45. But we could do a little bit back on Kerbal. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to hang out for a little bit at KSC, drink some beers, and talk to Gene here a little bit, see what we can do. Test the hammer solid fuel booster in flight. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Test the decoupler in flight. Oh, we could have done that one. But either way, good day. Good day. We're getting there. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Give me a like, a comment. Thanks for watching.